morning. It's 4:17. I had my alarm set for 5 a.m. But I woke up and I'm just so excited to be here and go into nature and wake up early and record this all. I just couldn't sleep, so Tom is still sleeping. I'm about to go meditate for 30 minutes, and then I'm sure Tom will wake up around 5 a.m. and we'll go running. He'll go running, and I'll go biking into the forest here nearby. It's 5:22, and Tom and I are about to go for a jog in the forest. What else are we gonna do?
If we're lucky, we might see some wildlife. We're gonna have to tiptoe, maybe some boar, maybe some stags. Let's rock and roll.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
That little thing.
I see two antlers. See them?
Yeah, but I'm not sure if that's just two plants behind it.
Oh, that's such a good observation.
Let's walk
Yeah.
a little closer.
It looks. Oh, actually. I think those are antlers. It moved.
Stop. Down. Just wanted to get warmed up in the morning sun. Just like that. Seema's already tracking them down. Morning runs are the best runs. You get rewarded with wildlife. Kind of quiet. Well, there's gonna be a beautiful valley. Maybe in that valley we'll see some boar or something. So this is a little like a river grove oasis for animals. They come here and take mud baths. There's dens. There's fox and boar dens. Right to the too. I'll take the camera. Oh, everybody. There's one den. There's another. There's another. And this is the grove. It's moist, damp there. Animals like to come here for a morning drink. The bear. Fly. During this meditation, I was telling Paul, the flies are gonna fly by and test their meditation. And just try to talk to them through your thoughts and be like, fly, you ain't gonna break my patience, you ain't gonna break my focus. And warn them, like, if you do, I'm gonna catch you. That's the little game I like to play instead of just getting pissed off. That's a better approach towards life, I think.
Tom, tell us what we just did.
So we came out onto this field after a short jog, run, short, like what, that was like 2.5 kilometers, 3 maybe.
Mm-hmm.
And
This is 2.5, or two, like 0.37. That's what it says in my app.
There we go. We spotted a fox along the way and a sarna koza, so like a male deer and and then a female deer out on this field. We meditated 4 rounds, or we did Wim Hof breath work 4 rounds. And now we're gonna do a little bit of yoga, 10 minutes morning sunrise yoga. I'm gonna snack on some of this sausage and bread, and I don't know, I got this last night and feeling a little savage, breaking my dietary rules, but
I'll have some as well.
cool.
You gotta,
Yeah,
you know,
feel
celebrate
wild.
the moment here.
Celebrate the moment.
Seema's gonna have some too, right, Seema?
Gonna have some too. Yeah. And yeah, this is all happening at like 6:30 a.m., 6 a.m. Beautiful morning. Birds are singing. And what can I say? It's gonna be a beautiful day. I can tell. All new trees can be planted.
$7:19 right now. Tom, what's the game plan?
We're gonna jog back another 2.5, 3 kilometers to the HQ. We're gonna shower up, have some coffee. We're already yoga done, sun on the skin, meditated, read books, and so yeah, we're gonna get ready and then head into town, say goodbye to Paul, and Paul's gonna head back to Warsaw, and I'm gonna go do some things with my Mazda. It's time to pay her off. Ta-da.
This is the beautiful Podlasia. Tell us a little bit, Tom, about Podlasia.
Podlasia means next to the forest, or like under the forest, and historically it's a region of Poland that's been, it used to be like the national language that they spoke here. They have like their own dialect because it merged with Russia, Belarus, and Lithuania, which were all big Polish allies and enemies in the past. And so Podlasia bordered those 2 other countries and kingdoms, and the people here speak like a dialect and an accent of the other 2 languages. Yeah, that's a quick little tip. Look at these beautiful ponds, these homes. It's wild, it's historical, it's magical. The last 80 witches or whisper ladies live here today, that survived thousands of years of persecution and witchcraft, and they have incredible knowledge about reading hands and nature and herbs and all of these mysteries of the world that are woo-woo today, but are still interesting to think and know about. And look at this rock. This rock is
It's in Russian.
in Russian.
Okay, it's at 8 a.m. Just showered, drink some water beforehand. I'm gonna make a honeydew melon and cucumber salad. Never made one like this before, but I like cucumbers and I like melons, so it should be a good mix. Tom says he is not a big fan of cucumbers, so he might not eat it, but he's gonna try it to tell us if he likes it or not. And I might add some honey if we have some honey and some salt on top of it. I think it's gonna be really good, and then I can knock out my salad intake for today as well. This is so simple, yet so delicious. It's got honeydew melon, cucumber, and some salt. Wow. So, Tom, try out the salad. Curious if you
Smells
like it.
nice. It smells fresh in the house. Wow. I was not expecting that. That'd be way worse. Okay. It's a very nice blend of like salty cucumber, which is like this salty taste, mixed with this beautiful cantaloupe that like is like a slip and slide of sweet taste. Very nice combo. I did not expect that. Cheers.
Tom, where are we going right now?
We're gonna go grab coffee, and then Paul's heading back out to Warsaw. I'm gonna speak with Danelle. Let's go. Bang. Wilder? So? Oh shit, on Tyson Fury walczył. Oh shit, great. Musisz opowiedzieć mi o tym. Zaczynam teraz nowy podcast. Gorące spojrzenia, zimne prawdy, gorące tematy,
So we're
zimne prawdy.
at Tom's local coffee shop here,
Językiem polskim.
and the owner of it used to be a boxing champion. And Tom just went on his Wikipedia page, and there's some fighter that I probably should know, but I'm not really in the boxing world, about. And now they're talking about his fighting experience. I'm gonna ask Tom real quick. Tom, who was he that he fought?
So Krzysztof, he fought Deontay Wilder. He's a boxing champion, and
Incredible.
yeah,
Now he's got his coffee shop here.
yeah.
So cool. I have 30 minutes till my train leaves, and it's gonna take me 20 minutes to bike there, so I'm gonna leave any minute, just in case of any delays. It's been a good time in Białystok. On my way back to Warsaw. Be there afternoon, and then I might go to Lublin today as well, which is 2 hours southeast of Warsaw, to go visit my grandma and my mom.